Many creatures dwell in the rainforest. There are sloths, anteaters, and blue morpho butterflies. Toucans, macaws, and monkeys live in the forest canopy. There is plenty of food and water for all the creatures.
One day, the forest stirred. From afar, there came a terrible tale. The birds had lost their perches. All the trees were falling down.
Sloth was worried. He felt rumblings in the forest. A strange scent floated on the wind, causing the butterflies to flutter high among the treetops.
The macaws too sensed something sinister in the air. The anteaters stopped foraging and crept into the undergrowth.
Howler Monkey screeched, a warning to his fellows. They heard him miles away. Jaguar roared with fury and sped through the trees. The animals shuddered. Jaguar was the most powerful creature in the rainforest.
But something even more powerful was threatening their world.
Machines. jaguar heard a voice.
Go to higher ground. Go to higher ground.
Go to the higher ground.
The rains came as the animals made their way higher and higher. Fear drove them on.
Then the floods came. There were no trees to hold the soil in place, so the river burst its banks.
The machines were washed away. But the creatures of the rainforest were safe. The animals looked down on the swirling water, the broken tree trunks and the muddy banks, and they wondered how long the tall trees would be there to guard them.